Today, November 15, 2023, did George Soros just give up on Rivian? Soros no longer owns a stake in Rivian stock. George Soros sold off his entire stake of Rivian during the third quarter. The sale consisted of 4.18 million shares. Rivian stock has remained flat so far this year. The deadline for institutional investors to file their third quarter 13F has passed, meaning that the public is now able to view institutional positions as of September 30th. Billionaire George Soros has been a popular investor to track. His fund, Soros Fund Management, had 13F assets under management of $7.04 billion as of third quarter, up from $6.41 billion during second quarter. According to Whale Wisdom, Soros returned an estimated 10.46% during the second quarter, bringing his one-year performance to 5.47%. Soros also made a move that doesn't exactly resonate with Rivian stock supporters. He sold off his entire stake of 4.18 million shares after holding the position for several years. George Soros sells off Rivian stock. Soros first disclosed a Rivian position during fourth quarter of 2021 by acquiring a 19.83 million share stake. From second quarter of 2022 to first quarter of 2023, the fund manager then proceeded to shave off shares every quarter. However, he shifted the trend when he purchased 608,583 shares during second quarter of this year, only to sell his entire position during third quarter. Soros also previously held call options against Rivian stock. He acquired call options against 6.04 million shares during first quarter of 2022 only to sell it all during the following quarter. During first quarter of this year, he re-entered his call position against 1 million shares and then proceeded to sell it all the next quarter. Shares of Rivian stock had previously accounted for 1.09% of Soros' 13F portfolio, so it wasn't a massive position. As of third quarter, he held 209 13F positions. While Soros sold Rivian, he was busy buying shares of another automotive company. During the quarter, the investor acquired 163,300 shares of General Motors, bringing his total stake to 613,100 shares. That's equivalent to a 0.29% portfolio weight. At the same time, he also picked up put options against 500,000 shares of GM stock. Soros carries an average 13F holding period of 3.43 quarters. For his top 10 positions, he has an average holding period of just 1.1 quarters. His top 10 positions include puts against Invesco QQQ Trust and the iShares Russell 2000 ETF.